You are not struggling with English because your vocabulary is weak. You are struggling because you are trying to sound perfect every time you open your mouth. The moment a conversation starts, your brain begins checking grammar, pronunciation, and sentence structure together. That pressure makes even simple replies feel difficult. Meanwhile, people with basic English speak more freely because they are focused on communication, not perfection. Most learners think fluency means speaking without mistakes, but real fluency is the ability to express your thoughts naturally without fear. Native speakers also pause, repeat words, and make small errors, yet conversations still flow smoothly. In this video, you will learn why perfectionism is secretly damaging your speaking confidence, how simple English creates stronger communication, and how to sound natural without forcing yourself to sound impressive. Once you stop chasing perfection, speaking English starts feeling lighter, faster, and far more comfortable. The hidden damage of trying to sound perfect. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to speak English confidently is perfectionism. Most learners believe they must speak with perfect grammar, advanced vocabulary, and flawless pronunciation before they can sound fluent. Because of this mindset, every conversation starts feeling stressful. Instead of speaking naturally, the brain becomes busy checking every word, every tense, and every sentence structure before saying anything aloud. This creates pressure even during simple conversations. The problem is not lack of knowledge. The real problem is overthinking. You already know enough English to communicate, but your mind keeps searching for the perfect sentence. While you are mentally correcting grammar and choosing better vocabulary, the conversation continues moving forward. Then suddenly you feel nervous, your mind goes blank, and you become silent. This is why many learners understand English very well while listening but struggle badly while replying. Now think about your native language. You do not stop every few seconds to analyze grammar rules before speaking. You focus only on expressing your thoughts. That natural flow disappears in English because many learners become afraid of making mistakes or sounding less intelligent in front of others. Slowly, this fear damages speaking confidence and makes communication feel difficult even when the topic is simple. The truth is that fluent speakers are not perfect speakers. Native speakers themselves pause, repeat words, change sentences midway, and make grammar mistakes during conversations. The difference is that they continue speaking without panicking. Their focus stays on communication instead of perfection. A person speaking simple English confidently usually sounds more fluent than someone using difficult vocabulary with constant hesitation. Real fluency is not about sounding impressive. Real fluency is the ability to express ideas clearly, naturally, and comfortably without fear controlling every sentence. Why simple English sounds more fluent? Many learners believe that using difficult vocabulary makes them sound smarter in English. Because of this, they try to memorize advanced words, complex phrases, and long sentences before improving basic communication. The result is that conversations start sounding unnatural and forced. Instead of focusing on the message, the brain becomes busy trying to perform with complicated English. This creates a major problem during real conversations. When you rely heavily on difficult vocabulary, your speaking speed becomes slower because your brain needs extra time to search for the perfect word. Even if the sentence is grammatically correct, constant pauses and hesitation reduce confidence and break the natural flow of communication. Fluent speakers usually do the opposite. They prefer clarity over complexity. They use simple words that come naturally to their mind and focus on expressing ideas smoothly. That is why native speakers often sound relaxed and effortless during conversations. Their goal is not to impress people with vocabulary. Their goal is to communicate clearly and keep the conversation moving comfortably. For example, many learners try to say, "I was extremely exhausted due to excessive workload." A fluent speaker might simply say, "I was really tired because I had a lot of work." The second sentence sounds more natural because it is direct, clear, and easy to speak confidently in real time. Simple English also helps your brain respond faster. When you stop forcing advanced words into every sentence, speaking becomes lighter and smoother. You begin focusing more on ideas and less on perfection. This naturally improves confidence, fluency, and reaction speed during conversations. Remember this clearly. Fluency is not measured by how difficult your vocabulary sounds. Fluency is measured by how comfortably and naturally you can express yourself. The simpler your communication becomes, the more confident and fluent you start sounding in English conversations. Stop translating and start thinking naturally. One habit that secretly destroys speaking fluency is translating every sentence from your native language into English before speaking. Many learners do this automatically without realizing how much it slows down their communication. The moment someone asks a question, the brain first creates the answer in the native language, then starts converting it into English word by word. This process creates delay, confusion, and hesitation during conversations. That is why your replies often feel slow even when you already know the answer. Your brain is handling two languages at the same time. First, it focuses on translation, then grammar, then vocabulary selection. Because of this mental pressure, speaking starts feeling exhausting instead of natural. Fluent speakers do not translate every sentence. They train themselves to connect thoughts directly with simple English expressions. This does not happen overnight, but it becomes easier when you stop trying to build perfect sentences in your head. The goal is not perfect translation. The goal is fast and clear communication. For example, imagine someone asks, "What did you do today?" Many learners begin translating a long response from their native language. A fluent speaker keeps it simple and direct. "I went to college, finished some work, and watched videos for a while." The sentence is basic, but it sounds natural because the response comes quickly and comfortably. One powerful way to improve this habit is by using simple daily English in your mind. Describe small actions around you in English. Say things like, "I am making tea," "I need to reply to this message," or "I am getting ready." These small practices slowly train your brain to think directly in English without depending on translation every time. The less you translate, the more natural your speaking becomes. Real fluency starts when your thoughts begin flowing directly in English with comfort and confidence. The moment you stop chasing perfection. The biggest transformation in your English-speaking journey begins when you stop trying to sound perfect and start allowing yourself to speak freely. Most learners spend years waiting for the right time to speak confidently. They think confidence will appear after perfect grammar, advanced vocabulary, or flawless pronunciation. In reality, confidence grows only when you start speaking without being afraid of mistakes. Every fluent speaker you admire once struggled with hesitation, fear, and self-doubt. The difference is that they continued speaking even when their English was not perfect. They understood something important that most learners ignore. Communication matters far more than perfection. People remember your confidence, energy, and clarity much more than small grammar mistakes during conversations. Think about how children learn language. They do not wait until every sentence becomes perfect before speaking. They make mistakes, repeat words, and slowly improve through continuous communication. English fluency works the same way. Improvement happens while speaking, not while endlessly preparing to speak. From today, stop putting pressure on yourself to sound impressive. You do not need difficult vocabulary or complicated sentences to become fluent. Simple English spoken naturally creates stronger conversations than advanced English filled with hesitation and fear. The more relaxed your mind becomes, the faster your speaking improves. Start focusing on progress instead of perfection. Speak more, even if your sentences are simple. Allow mistakes to happen without feeling embarrassed. Every conversation trains your brain to become faster, calmer, and more natural in English. The truth is powerful and freeing at the same time. Fluency is not about becoming perfect. Fluency is about expressing your thoughts comfortably without fear controlling your voice. The moment you stop chasing perfection is the moment your real English-speaking confidence finally begins to grow. For a long time, you probably believed fluent English meant speaking without mistakes. That belief created pressure every time you tried to talk. But real fluency is not perfection. Real fluency is the ability to express yourself naturally, comfortably, and without fear stopping your thoughts. The moment you stop treating every conversation like a test, speaking starts becoming easier. Your mind feels lighter, your replies become faster, and your confidence slowly grows with every conversation. You no longer focus on sounding impressive. You focus on connecting with people and expressing your ideas clearly. Remember this whenever you feel nervous while speaking English. People are not expecting perfection from you. They simply want to understand you. The more naturally you communicate, the more fluent you will start sounding over time. Your voice becomes powerful when fear disappears. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.